What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. Getting ready for my first job, only job, doing a pretty decent size tile and grout cleaning. So just organized my new shop. Actually moved. Good thing about being a carpet cleaner, you can run your business out of your home, so you save all that money on rent or leasing a commercial building. Yeah, it's nice to have that, and if I were to grow any bigger, I would need that. But one van or whatever you have, all my tools are literally, majority of them are in my van already. You know, I like to keep it well equipped for any situation that pops up. Only thing I don't keep in my van lately, I haven't been keeping the spinner, because I always schedule for doing tile job, larger ones. So I keep this in the garage usually, but I got it in here today. Yeah, so I keep everything in here. Okay. Right now, I just mixed up my carpet details, which I use for my cleaning solution for doing tile and grout. And charging up my Ryobi, whatever. New scrubber I got. Kind of pretty good tool. Would like it if the rotation was a little quicker, but it's great for, you know, underneath the counters and tight areas for pre-scrubbing. I also use it a lot for stairs and stuff like that. So you probably noticed in the video I posted before this one. So yeah, luckily this place has a lot of shelving. So I get all my solutions, most of them in there. You know? My flood extractor up there. You know, most of the stuff you can put in your van. Some of the stuff you want to keep, I got an extra vacuum right there, my old vacuum. Couple pump ups. What I got down here? Some just some random equipment for repairs. Old buffer there. I got my newer one in there, but that's a backup in case I have a larger job or a strip job or something like that. I don't want to get my other 175 all dirty. But if I got a larger one, I can get two guys working. So yeah, and then I got my gym, of course. Gotta keep in shape, man. 51 years old, you know. I don't feel it. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this beginning part of it up, and we'll see you at the job. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're at the property, getting ready to do the cleaning. Got the multi-wash out, got the blue brushes on there. They're stiffer, they're better for tile and grout. So just setting up. Gonna do a couple area rugs in here too. Brenda just got done vacuuming. So I already pre-sprayed this using carpet detail. She's just hitting little spots here and there with that thing. I'm gonna get these done first, and then we'll pull these out and start working on the talent drop. Already sprayed most of this. We'll work our way up to about there. All right, guys, all finished up. Actually forgot to take the video on the way out. Got to talking to the customer. You know how it goes. But came out great. Sealed it. Used a Sager's Super Sealer. Walked my way out of there. Took me about 15 minutes just to seal it. It's the easiest way of doing it, guys. Just lay it down in the middle of the room, away from the wall, and then spread it with a microfiber mop, such as something that connects to that. And then walk your way out. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then put fans on it if you have it, or just let it dry. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video.